So I'm sure a lot of you guys are like me and you're trying to find a way to make passive income without having to mine at a loss. Running mining rigs, I mean, obviously we love doing it and it's great for the wintertime for supplemental heat in the house. But at the end of the day, paying a $600 to $1,000 electric bill at the end of the month is just absolutely absurd, right? I'm paying 24.5 cents and it's just killing me. These electrical companies don't give a shit about you or your family or what financial situation you're in. So anything helps these days. Now, there's a company called iNodez that I have no affiliation with, but this is just something that I did to make some sort of passive income. So I wanted to share it with you guys a little bit. I don't care if you guys do it or not, but let's just dive into it and I'll kind of explain to you what it is. All right, so this right here is iNodez website, inodez.com with a Z, right? Now, this platform basically, the way it works is you take your cryptocurrency, whichever they have available or they can take, right? Which is Raptorium, RTM, they have Firo, or they have Neoxa. Now, Neoxa is a game to earn cryptocurrency where you could play Rust, you could play Minecraft, or you could play GTA, if I'm not mistaken. Those three games are out right now, and they're going towards like mobile gaming and stuff at some point in the future. But Neoxa has a pretty good outlook, at least in my opinion. I do like this as a little altcoin. It's kind of a gamble, but at the same time, it's been doing pretty decent things, right? Like you can see the 30-day, it's actually risen pretty good, right? 0.002. So it's like what is it, a fifth of a penny basically right now. It did have a huge run up when it came out, but then the bear market happened, and obviously it is pretty much just kind of floating along, but it's been gradually rising since the nodes have came online. Now, they have these smart nodes, which are basically what this platform does. It takes cryptocurrency from a bunch of people collectively, right? Puts it together and will put it into a smart node where these nodes will just secure the network basically, and you get some sort of interest on top of these nodes, right? Now, I don't know why it's showing the Raptorium symbol. Let me zoom out. Oh, it must be a glitch in their system. That's weird as hell. Anyway, so these are all of the Neoxa smart nodes that they have right now on the platform, right? So again, it's like a big pool of people putting their Neoxa into this platform. They make 1 million Neoxa and then they have to create another node, right? So they have 67 of these up right now. I'm not really sure what this little yellow is here on these. Maybe people have withdrawn their funds and they got to get filled up again. So you can withdraw funds, if I'm not mistaken, it's once a month. You have to put in like a rec or a pull or whatever. You just ask them to withdraw it, and then at the end of the month they will release the funds out of the node back to you in your wallet, however you want to do it. Now, I will show you my stats right here. So this is what I did, right? I ended up putting in all of my Neoxa that was in my core wallets, okay? This is the money, but regardless, this is how much Neoxa I have, right? I'm fully transparent with you guys. I don't care if you see what's going on. So I have 349,701.68 Neoxa in iNodez as of right now. Now I put, I think 340-ish or so, maybe a little bit more into this about a week and a half ago, if I'm not mistaken. It was about a week and a half ago. So they charge a 4.95% fee, right? That just comes directly out of the rewards that I would be getting daily on whatever earnings I get, right? Estimated daily earnings, 540.82, right? So that's what I get per day of Neoxa for this just sitting in here. Now, if this Neoxa was just sitting in my traditional core wallet, for one, it's obviously good to have crypto in your own, your own bag, in your own custody, not trust somebody else with your keys. But at the same time, core wallets, to me personally, are super dangerous. I just feel like people lose the seed phrases, their computer gets corrupt, then you're just completely screwed and the funds are gone, right? So I played games to earn this much Neoxa, okay? Granted, I did this way back when Neoxa first came out, so you're probably not going to get 300,000 from playing games, but if you have, nothing better to do and you want to make some extra Neoxa on the side, go ahead, go play Rust, GTA, or Minecraft, and you'll earn some Neoxa. But regardless, yeah, this is just everything I've earned from playing games, so I have nothing to lose. If I lose this, I didn't deserve it anyways. I played games, I had fun with my friends, and I made some Neoxa. So I took this Neoxa, I decided to throw it in here, and I'm like, it's better than sitting in my core wallet making nothing. I would rather make something per day. So again, if you click on it, it'll change it right back to dollar amount, right? So I should be making $2.50 per day for it to sit here in this iNodez thing, right? This is in my account. It's tied to my Google. So all I have to do is log in through a Google account, just like you do my YouTube channel or whatever else the case may be, right? Two-factor authentication. Make sure you have that enabled. And I haven't had any issues, right? I've had my Raptorium in here. Granted, I'm kind of stupid, but I have had my Raptorium in here for literally like 2 years. Okay, I totally forgot about it, and I lost the wallet that it was actually paying the Raptorium out to. So I ended up making it compound, and now it's just stacking onto my Raptorium bag. As you can see, I have 54,000 Raptorium. I can't, it drives me nuts because I probably would have had so much more if I wasn't that foolish and lost that other computer. But what I ended up doing was wiping out an old computer, and I totally forgot that wallet was on there, the core wallet that it was paying out to. So it is what it is. That's my fault, my mistake. You know, gotta deal with it because I did it. So anyways, this is kind of just really something I wanted to just throw out to you guys and show you guys that you can make some sort of passive income. This doesn't cost me any electricity. It doesn't take any money out of my wallet at the end of the week, the end of the month. Like, I don't get a bill, right? It just comes right off the top. And again, I'm not making anything on this stuff anyways. The only downside is you do have to trust these guys to hold on to your Neoxa or Raptorium or Firo, whatever you decide to do when, you know, you go to send the money. So that's that. And then if you guys are interested, obviously you can go to Trade Ogre. I am not affiliated with any of these companies, right? I'm not affiliated with Trade Ogre, Neoxa, or iNodez. I'm showing you guys what I do. So if you want, you can go to Trade Ogre. I haven't done this personally, but you can purchase Neoxa here. There's some other sites that you can purchase Neoxa through as well. And you guys can just, you know, take that, deposit it into iNodez, and get some passive income that way. But please just don't forget, never put in more than you can afford to lose, right? This is obviously skeptical. At the same time, it's Neoxa could go to zero, could go to $100. You never know. It's just one of those things. Cryptocurrency, it's volatile, and it's an altcoin. So take it with a grain of salt, right? But looking at the price of Neoxa, I do feel like it has a good chance to pump back up to its all-time high. I mean, what did it get to? Was it 1 or 2 cents, I believe? Let's see. Looking down here, all-time high, 2 cents, 2.5 cents almost. I don't see why it wouldn't get there, especially with them wanting to get into mobile games and all that stuff. There's a lot of altcoins that have a very good chance to pop, and I do believe that Neoxa is one of those altcoins. Now, please don't take any of this as financial advice. Again, I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing with my Neoxa personally. Now, again, you know, I have almost 350,000 Neoxa inside that iNodez account. Once that gets to 1 million, as I am playing games and earning more Neoxa, I will take that money out, or that Neoxa out, and I will get my own smart node going either here or elsewhere, but I will put in a collective 1 million and just create my own instead of pulling it up with everybody else. But again, this doesn't cost me anything, so why wouldn't I choose to do this instead of it just sitting in my wallet making absolutely nothing every day? Either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go down there, hit that like button, and consider subscribing, and also leave a comment because I would love to know your thoughts on this. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.